Hi everyone. So in this video we will see how to store the data that we have extracted from the website. So we can store the data either in a CSV file or an Excel file, or we can store it in a database. But for our video today we are going to store the data in the CSV file. For that I am going to use the same example from the previous video. So for the same code I have just wrapped around function. So to store that in data in CSV, we are going to need one library called CSV. I'm going to import that and store it. So I will going to use a list, and inside the for loop I will initialize a dictionary. I will call it as item, and instead of storing it to a variable, I am going to make that as a key for our dictionary and store the value as the actual extracted data from the website. We don't need these statements. Yeah, once we added that to dictionary, so what we can do is we can append the dictionary to this list. So now we will end up with the list of dictionaries, and each dictionary will have a song title and artist. So we will, from here I'm going to return these songs, that is the list, and I'm going to create one more function. This is to add data to the CSV. I will call it as write CSV, and I'm going to need the list, song list or song value, whatever, and I'm going to open a file using context manager. So I'm going to store that in this path. I'm going to store that in this path. So give this path and the file name. I will give it as songs.csv, and we have to open that file in a write mode as file, and we have to initialize the CSV. I'm going to use dict writer, so that will take the input as file and the field names. We have not defined the field names yet, so we will going to define the field names. I will call it as headers. It will going to be a list of all the headers that we want in the CSV, and that should be same as this this key that we have used. So we'll call it as song list, and we'll copy this artist. And we will pass the field names here. So now using the writer, what we'll do, we will write the headers first. Once we are done with the headers, we will loop through the song list and we will write it to a file. So inside the for loop, we will going to write writer dot write row and pass the song. So this method will help us to create the CSV file in this location, the name songs.csv, and before that we have to call this method once we get the extracted data, and we have to pass the extracted data to that method. So let us run this. Okay, we have the okay, so there might be some characters which are not recognizable, so we have to use an encoding. UTF-8. So we will use new line. We'll clear the screen and we'll run this again. Okay, it ran. So we'll check in this location whether the CSV is created or not. Okay, we have a CSV called songs has been created. So we'll see what's in there. Yeah, as you can see, so song title and the artist, these are our headers, and the corresponding values we can see here. And so we can see why we got the error of Unicode character. So because of this we got the Unicode character error. So after using the encoding, so it could write that as well. Okay, that's how you can write your extracted data into a CSV file. Instead of CSV, you can try with Excel, or you can even add it to a text file as well. And that's it for this video. And thanks for watching.